Hi guys, how's it going? Hope you are having a good week. Um, I will try to keep this short and sweet. The Google Classroom this week we are on week 7, which is May 19th through the 26th. And it says week 7 videos start here like we've been doing. A little different this week. I'm going to ask you to complete an article, reading an article with a little quiz that goes with it. This article comes off of a website called Newsela, so maybe you've heard of that before, done it in other classes. The article we're going to read is called The Science of Using Food as Medicine. And then again, like I said, there's a little quiz that goes along with it. The quiz is only 4 questions, so don't be too overwhelmed by it. It is the quiz generated by Newsela, and I highly suggest that you have open the PDF file right here of the article as you are taking the quiz, because it's going to ask you to go back and read portions of the article before you answer. This won't let me scroll down any further. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so our virtual session is going to be on Wednesday like we've been doing at 10:30. It's optional. I will post the nickname for that on Wednesday morning on the Google Classroom. And then the little slide has your assignment for this week. You just need to, like I said, complete that Newsela quiz after you read the article. Again, it's 4 questions. It's a little Google form. It shouldn't take you too long. And then if you want, feel the need to get some extra credit this week. I didn't really have extra credit that went along with the article, but if you do anything to help around the house or around your neighborhood, like picking up trash or cooking dinner one night, send me a picture and I would give you some extra credit for that. Okay? All right, let's get to the article. I'll read through it. Oh yeah, so you don't have to listen to me read it unless you want to. If you don't want to listen to me read it, just go straight to, sorry, where'd that go? Just go straight to that PDF file, open that reading, and you can do it yourself. But those of you who want to listen, I thought I would just read it to you, and then you can go take the quiz as well. Okay? All right. So the science of using food as medicine is becoming more popular. This is out of the Star Tribune in Minneapolis, January of 2018. All right. So Olivia Biesler on the right is a health coaching graduate student, which means she's getting her master's degree. She chats with medical student McKenna Campbell Potter, who's in the center, and doctorate of nursing practice student Ann Hayden, while cooking on December 2017 at the Food Matters for Health Professionals class held at Good Acres Kitchen in Falcon Heights, Minnesota. Soon, doctors may be recommending recipes for healthy food along with medicines. Some schools in the United States are teaching health professionals, doctors, nurses, and counselors how to cook. Dr. Kate Shafto and Jenny Breen developed such a class at the University of Minnesota. Dr. Shafto is a doctor and Breen is a chef and health expert. The University of Minnesota believes that people too often forget how important their diet is to keeping them healthy. Their 6-week course is called Food Matters for Health Professionals. It pairs the art of cooking with the science of using food as medicine. The teachers want to show hopeful health professionals how to care for both their patients and themselves. They want to teach thoughtful eating habits. Food for thought. For too long, Shafto and Breen say information about how to cook and eat healthy foods has been missing in healthcare education. Now that may be changing. In the U.S., at least 10 medical schools teach cooking and medicine classes. Breen says a healthy way of life can help prevent diseases. However, as a society, we aren't doing enough. Poor diets can cause serious health problems. People can become extremely overweight because of a bad diet. They can also get diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure. Our society was once based on farming, but better technology has allowed us to shop in grocery stores, Shafto said. This change has affected the food system and our health, she added. A lot of vitamins, fiber, and minerals people need are not part of the food they eat. These are what make food healthy. Students record eating habits. The cooking medicine course teaches about good foods to put in a diet. It also includes information about taking care of yourself. Many doctors and nurses are stressed. In the class, students learn how to think carefully about what they eat. They also learn to take deep breaths before eating. They sit down to eat with others and slow down enough to taste their food. Throughout the course, the students kept a journal and recorded their eating habits. They were amazed at how much they weren't paying attention, Breen said. For their final assignment, the students formed teams. They were told about a make-believe patient. The patient has a certain health problem. Each team needed to make a main dish and a side dish designed to help their patient. Before this course, I wouldn't say I was much of a cook at all, said McKenna Campbell-Potter, a medical student. I'm becoming more confident. Her patient was Maria, a woman struggling with her weight. Maria worries about heart disease and has tried several diets in the past without success. Choosing healthy recipes. Campbell-Potter and her teammates searched the internet for recipes. They decided to make salmon and mashed cauliflower with garlic and herbs. The salmon has healthy fats, which add flavor and make the patient feel full, she explained. And the mashed cauliflower is like mashed potatoes, but healthier. Theodore Wang is another student in the class. He wants to be a counselor. He's busy now slicing carrots into small sticks. His team chose to make bibimbap, a Korean dish that looks like a rice bowl. It has pickled vegetables, carrots, mushrooms, spinach, hot sauce, and fried egg on top. A salad with Greek yogurt dressing was also served. Wang said he hoped the yogurt and pickled vegetables would help his team's patient, Julia. She is a 37-year-old woman with anxiety and depression who also wants to lose weight. Depression is a condition where people feel sad or do not enjoy things they used to. Anxiety is when someone feels nervous, scared, or worried. Wang and his teammates chose their recipe because they learned that pickled foods and yogurt can improve stomach health. This can then also help with anxiety and depression. The note said that Julia loves to eat Mexican food at Chipotle. Wang's team thought that if her patient likes Chipotle, then she would probably enjoy the spicy flavors of bibimbap. That's all for that one. Go find the quiz on the slideshow and take that.